Jordan release day. So we're starting off at the mall, kind of, sort of at the mall. They got no returns, what the hell? Here, Nike by Glendale, where they do have the white metallic 5s right here. They also have the latest release, which are these band Jordan 1 lows right here. It does have the X on the back. Kind of a marketing gimmick, but kind of cool. Kind of cool. It does have the date right there. Is that the release date, or is that the date he wore these? So he wasn't. I don't know.
Americana,
so I don't know if he wore these in '84. Was that when it was banned? Those were the Dunks though that were banned, but I don't know. But yeah, dude got these bad boys. Not the Dunks. It was the airships. It was the airships that were technically banned, but dude got these bad boys. These are the Jordan 1 low OGs. Got that nice leather on them. Okay. Even Bulldog Liquidator had those on opening day because I guess they got some liquidated ones, I guess. That was interesting. Jordan 60 plus. I've never seen these. These kind of remind me of those right there. Low versions, I guess. Okay, well, they got some other Jordans involved. It's always like a mishmash of different Jordan retros. The women's section, they got plenty of performance items, but nothing too crazy. These came out a couple weeks ago. Jordan 4s in it is kind of a denim and suede. Pink. Kind of interesting. Kind of cool for girls. How about that? I can't stand that non-white midsole. I like white midsoles. I don't know. But yeah, these are cool. Going for $220. They got these. Oh my god, these are gross. Dang it. But yeah, nothing we haven't seen anywhere else. Plenty of colorways of the Vomeros and Vomero Pluses, new colorways I haven't seen before. Even the Winflows, these are budget runners. The cushioning is getting crazy on these. Does use Cushline, which is one of the older midsole technologies that they had. Now at the Glendale Galleria, and they did reorganize the place. They got all the Jordan retros right here. I didn't even tell you guys, yeah, Bulldog Liquidator had these for $100. Had them for $100. They had them first thing this morning when they opened. I don't know if they still got them, but the cool thing is you can order them on Instagram too, or I'm sorry, you can call them at the phone number on their Instagram, and then they'll save you a pair. They'll charge you and they'll save you a pair. I don't know if they had boxes. I don't know what they had right here. And whoa, these just released this past week as well. This was like a mid-week release. This one is interesting. Got different colors in the little side panels right here, and then it does have that reflective 3M all along the little middle right here. You could kind of see it. That's kind of cool. But yeah, what are these? 215. They still got the salesman 5s, Mr. 3s, the fancy ones. Oh man, did someone return these? Look, after one wear, dude. This is why I can't stand mids, you guys. Why I can't stand mids after one wear. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but it is so creased up. I guarantee you someone wore these once and returned them. Someone probably tried this one on. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy. I'm surprised it's not like all creased up on the corners right here. Like patent leather always creases right there for me. Yeah, they got every freaking Jordan release recently, or that just released recently. Tons of Kobe's. Didn't even realize some of these released. Like this one right here must have just released these Kobe 11s. Not been paying attention to releases like that. I do remember this coming out. Got multiple Kobe's. But even more up here. And the Protro ones right there as well. Wow. Do have a sales rack right here. Even got the freshwater colorway of the Griffies on sale. Got these Valentine's Day releases, the TL 2.5, something like that. Yeah, got these bad boys on sale. Not huge discounts though. Even got the Kobe Air Forces at a discount. We're starting to see these discounted since the SL2s are coming out. Cortez on this size, the women, but nothing too crazy. In the grade school section, this is the grade school or women's, I don't know, but if your girl needs some running shoes, 50 That's such a freaking good price for these. Man, that's what's up. In 2000, oh no, 9060s, my bad, 9060s. These right here, not a bad deal. Not seeing the craziest items though. Got a shoe palace, Jordan section. They got the 13s, they got the bands, they got the 11s, they got the new 6 that just came out. They got Dames down to $50. These are the, I don't know, what Dames are these? These are Dame 10s now? Are they up to the 10s? They do got it for $50. Got the Donovan Mitchell down to 70. New colorway. Have I seen these before? I want to say, I think I just saw these recently. These are kind of cool. Superstars, a little different, 110. Then we've been seeing the patent leather. Mixture of suede as well. It's like a soft pink. Thought it was gray, but I think like soft pink, kind of an interesting combo. And then they do got the Kobe's right here. Year of the Mambas. Is that what these are? Got the IC outsole. See the zoom. See the air zoom unit. Only on the heel. I like it on the forefront too, but doesn't look like Kobe really like that. Do got these as well. These just must have released. The GGs, the Kobe 3 low GGs. Kind of look like some dress shoes looking things right here. Kind of interesting. I don't know about those two bills. Is it me or have they not come out with as many colors, or have they been selling? I feel like I haven't seen that many LeBrons like that. Like there's 3 different colorways. I don't think I've seen 3 different colorways of the LeBrons in a while. But yeah, those are 210. GT Futures, I think these are some of the more interesting basketball shoes out right now. These are definitely interesting. The GTs right here, okay. GT Cut 4s. 2 bills. I've been seeing these a lot more lately. What are these? 2000s? New Balance 2000s. Oh, they're here. I'm not into them, but wanted to show them and talk about it because I've been seeing a lot of them in store lately. The 9060s. I know these are pretty freaking popular. These are down to $130 a piece. Then they got some 740s. I've never heard of anybody talking about 740s though. There was a Nike SB Dunk release. Maybe the store did not get any. I don't know. I did see that. Did see it on the Instagram, the Northridge Instagram, and I know Northridge does get a little more releases. This is the P-Rods right here. These are not an SB Dunk. This is a P-Rod, $135 for these bad boys. And they got more and more right here. This one reminds me of the Cleveland Browns. Which reminds me of the Cleveland Browns. I didn't know this one just released last time I saw it. It's like a UCLA color looking one right here, 130. I like this one right here. I think this is my favorite one here. This like a wheat suede. Looks a little different with the different laces and stuff like that. It's a donuts? It's donuts and stuff I think I see. The insole. Donuts or bagels? Oh, I see chocolate chip cookies and stuff as well. It's like a coffee theme or something. But yeah, I do got one of these as well. These are going for $145. Pretty freaking dope SB Dunk collection right here. Okay. Oh, this says Tone right here in Manchester. Okay. Alright, these are pretty dope. I've never seen these before. Those are the dopest ones here, in my opinion. They do have a nice little sale section right here, up to 50% off. I was checking to see if they have any chucks, any low top chucks. They have highs and mids. These are all like 40, 50% off, $90. But I don't see any lows, especially don't see them on sale. Been trying to find some low chucks on sale, but nah, not today. But yeah, they do have a great selection of stuff on sale. Got Janowski's right here, 50% off. You got the iShot ones right here, 50% off. Even the New Balance is 50 off of $125. A lot of these are gonna have size issues, but look, $55. You're getting 50% off, so can't really complain. 40% off of that one. Got 600s, 440s. Got all kinds of variety. Got 2 more shops. Dude got Ultra Boost for $100. These normally retail for $180. If you like the look, that's cool. But if you want the comfort, grab those SLs, the Evo SLs. So much more comfy. You know, we don't always just get stuff for comfort. We get stuff that we like. So, you know, grab whatever. It's better for your feet. Well, these are Boston's 110. Been seeing these at the outlets. The Adidas outlets here and there. In the women's section, look at this. Look at this. Even at the retail shop, seeing Vomeros on sale. These are the Vomero 18s, not the Plus, but the Vomero 18s, $80. That is pretty much 50% off. These retail for $155 for the earlier models, $150 for the super early models, $155 for the models after I think the 160 is the latest ones. But yeah, pretty much 50% off. That's what's up. And that's a black and white one. Pretty much matches with everything. Let's see what else. I don't really see much else. They got a couple of these on sale. I think I saw that one at the clearance store, right? Or the outlet. I saw that one of the outlets. I'm not the biggest fan of these, but I know plenty of you guys are. One of my workers just grabbed one of these. I was like, yeah, they look hella chunky, but I know how comfy they're. $80 for these. These normally go for $160, so is that 50 off? Slightly different colorway right here. Yeah, they really are pushing these 2000s a lot. That's kind of crazy. I guess they've taken over for the 574s because we really haven't seen them release any 574s. Just those 2 that have been here forever. And it's like the car industry. Everything's getting like really plain. Look, like the same 4 or 5 colors. That's crazy. I don't know if you guys noticed lately, the only colors that they've been coming out with have been white, silver, black. Is it gray? I don't know, but majority of the Toyotas and major car companies, they've been coming out with like the most plain colorways ever. I said colorways, I mean colors of the cars. Kind of interesting. What are these? What the hell is that? The K1011s? The K1011s? Got a couple of Asics on sale right here. And I kind of like the look of this one a little bit better than that one down there. But yeah, they got these on sale as well. The DS trainers. I don't know what the hell those are. The Speed Cats in the women's section. I don't know how they're trying to make this mainstream. These are originally for racing, and they're like so freaking narrow. That's the only thing. But when you're like, I would use my right hand, but my right hand is holding the camera. But your feet, like, you know, you want them kind of close to each other. You don't want your feet to be super chunky when you're pressing on the clutch, brake, all that type of stuff. I swear, it looks like the grade's cool. A lot of sneakers have not been moving. Even the OG colorway, Chicago OGs right here. And then we got the All-Star Jordan 1 highs. And kind of surprised to see these. This is the only store we've seen these Laker 4s right here. It is a size 8. Slowly starting to see these sell out. They did come out All-Star Weekend. I think those released locally out here, and then they released like 2 weeks after All-Star Weekend, right? I don't remember. I remember going to the Jordan store out in Inglewood, and they had those there. It was available early out here. Know that? But yeah, $150 for these, and now they're sitting. They're readily available. So I'm saying, hey, don't rush and pay resale for stuff unless you're dying to. I don't know, whatever. Do whatever the hell you guys want. I don't care. But dude got these flight clubs right here. One of the slower selling Jordan 4s of the year. Last couple years, maybe. And then on feet, dude got Jordan 3 UNCs. These are not the PEs, but the general release, because I don't have no connections like that. But yeah, I did grab these for retail. Was super happy to grab a pair for retail. I think I won that pair on sneakers. I did get one at the mall, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, t-shirt, jeans, easy, really easy to match. This mall is packed on Saturday. Man, I thought I was gonna see like a ton of stuff on sale and a ton of interesting stuff because multiple Jordan releases, but no, not really. But yeah, we do got one last store here. Yeah, this is like the little sales section right here. Some of y'all foreigners are hilarious. I see someone who just took their pants off in the middle of the store over there trying on pants. Hilarious. We are in Glendale, so you can kind of assume what ethnicity they are. But what the hell are these? Hoodrich shoes. I know they make clothes here, but I didn't know they make shoes now. Kind of interesting. Definitely looks like it has some skate vibing to it. They're skating vibes. $100 for the Hood Rich shoes. Sabrina's being given away. Yeah, this one's got a little sale. The Omnis. I should have grabbed the Omnis. I'm still so mad at that. $60 they had them here for. Was 60 or 70? I don't know, but the black ones and the white ones. I have the white ones at home. I do not have the black ones. I definitely should have grabbed. I feel stupid. And then we're starting to see LeBron's on sale. That fool's been hooping, dude. That fool has been so freaking good for the Lakers. Austin is back now. I think he's still getting his legs under him. He didn't have the greatest 2 games, but he'll be good. He'll be good. But yeah, we are starting to see sales on these. Only $20 off, but that is just the start. So might have to grab these eventually. Yeah, I do got some of the generic J's right here on sale. These look like some 7s, but yeah, MVPs. Even the Spizikes. Got a few Hokas on sale, including these Clifton 10s. Clifton 10s right here too. Oh, those are the Bondis. So yeah, Clifton 10s right here, $115. Bondis, that's their max cushion shoe right there. I've been seeing these at Ross and stuff. These Mafate Speeds. These ain't on sale, but I've never seen these. Kind of like a Gore-Tex, I don't know. Is this a Golf? This is a Golf, because the Golf, they try to make them slightly waterproof because the fields, the grass, it does get wet, especially if you go super early in the morning. So maybe that's one of those, I don't know. No, but Air Max 90, $150 for those. And then Air Maxes, they just have not been selling with the younger kids, so we've been seeing pretty much every Air Max go on sale. JD Sports, like I've said, they don't start out with the huge sales. They start out with the smaller sales, and then eventually they'll go down and down.